today is the grand opening for Aria Nails Bar. And would you like to give us your thoughts on the remodeling and the design of this nail bar?
Yes, absolutely. I first walked up to it and you could just feel the energy, very high energy. And then as I came up to the front door, it was like I walk in and it's nothing but a touch of elegance and class. That was the first two words that came to mind.
Jerry, tell me, what do you think of the new, opulent, and beautiful new spa?
It is absolutely amazing. Ivy always outdoes herself and she's done it again. It is amazing. Everybody should come. Everyone.